friends, Running Kimono here. We have an exciting week over at Walgreens, and the deals are just, it might be starting a fire on my keyboard because they're so great today. We have some free baby lips and really cheap items, if not a whole bunch of freebies. So I just want to jog through this really quickly. The 15 back when you spend 60 is online only. Pay attention to that, guys. The 10 back when you spend 10 is either online or in store. We will discuss these two doing curbside deals tomorrow, but it's the one on the right that we're going to be looking at. You can only use that one time, and not every account got it. My husband got it. I didn't get it. So not everybody's getting it. Always your mileage may vary with boosters over at Walgreens. If you are into Dollar General shopping or Meijer shopping, consider following my Instagram because I have been posting a lot of little small deals up there. And I know a lot of you that are over here aren't on that site, but I have been posting a lot of stuff with the clearance event at the Dollar General that's continuing right till Thursday the 20th. Lots of new little deals cropping up. If you want them, go follow my Instagram. It's linked in the notes. And the final piece of business before we dive into the deals, if you guys could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hype the video, I would be so grateful, just to ensure the video is honest and it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. Okay, so the first task at hand is a lot of people this morning got these only for you coupons. Not every account gets them. And guess what? This girl didn't get it either. We have a 12 off of 2 and a 10 off of 2. If you got them, load them. Basically, the cheapest thing to do is to throw in a bunch of very inexpensive makeup. Baby lips is part of it. It makes these items completely for free. Thank you to my friend Rolling Coupon Moms for sending me this screenshot of the two coupons. So if you have both of these, it's curbside only, because in store, if you'd have to be shopping for exactly 12 or 10. But curbside, the coupon's reduced to the cost of the item. In store, you need the amount to surpass it. So you need $10 or $12 to get the two to work. Hopefully that's crystal clear. Next cheap item that we're looking at is the $4.99 Vaseline. So it's that smaller cutie pie. This morning we got a $2 digital coupon that is attaching. So the product's $4.99. With that coupon, it's going to be $2.99. But the Fetch Rewards app has 1,000 points back with a limit of up to 5 times. You're going to get 1,000 points back for this purchase. Is these lotions on clearance in your store? And if it attaches with the $2 coupon, you possibly could get this for even less. So just jotting it down here, guys, the final price point is $1.99. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And go and make this deal happen. And as I was saying earlier, if you watch my Instagram, it's a complete freebie at the Dollar General with the clearance event. So you might want to check that out. Now we're going to do a couple deals with this 10 back when you spend 10. If you don't have it, every out of pocket is $10 more. We're looking for 4 of the P&G laundry care products at $4.99. And you absolutely have to mix and match them to get the most amount of coupons to come off, because we have $1 off for that fabric softener, $1 off for the Bounce dryer sheets, $1 off for the Tide Pods. Unless you have that 305 one, then you've won the couponing Olympics. And then this $1 off of 1 for the liquid. Okay, so very basic, very easy deal. Grabbing 4 of these products, it's $19.96. We have $4 in digitals melting off. Have your booster loaded, the 10 back when you spend 10. And then, so with your debit card, you're going to pay $15.96. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash plus a $4 register reward, making it $1.96 for the 4 or 49 cents per Tide product, Tide P&G. Don't use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster. But if you have manufacturer register rewards and you want to throw them into the mix, by all means, go and make that happen. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, again, everybody's favorite, it is the Dove body wash, and we need our best friend loaded. Again, you can only use this the one time, so pick and choose wisely which deal you wish to do it with. The Dove body wash, we're going to grab 2, which is either the men or the women's. And I got to apologize, I don't have the tags this morning. The person that does all the tagging wasn't around, so the tags don't get put up till like after lunchtime. So Those are the breaks, and this is the digital coupon that we have this morning, which is the 4 off of 2. This is a very basic deal. 2 of these body washes is $16. Subtracting that magic coupon and have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $12 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. $4 register reward, free, and a $2 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. You can use manufacturer register rewards, but not Walgreens cash as you're using a booster. And another deal with our little friend, the 10 back when you spend 10. If you just wanted to get meat and potatoes items, this is what I would do. One of the Mr. Clean Freaks for $4.99 and one of the Dawn Power Washes for $4.99. At the checkout, grab like a sucker or grab cheap candy like 30 cents, 33 cents, 40 cents because you're going to be off by like 2 cents. And these are the coupons that you're going to load. The 2 off 1 for the Dawn Power Wash. This is an older one, and then the one that we got this morning will attach to our Clean Freak. What a name for a product too. And don't forget your cheap candy. So 2 of these products at $4.99 is $9.98. You're 2 cents short. Grab something in the clearance section or cheap candy. $10.31, $4 in digitals melting off. Have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $6.31 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making this free and a small money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But if you have a couple register rewards that you want to throw into this, yes, you can, and you'll still earn your $10 register reward as long as they're manufacturer register rewards. Okay, the next one we're looking at, I think we just have 2 left with this. Hopefully I haven't lost you guys because I know a lot of you didn't get this and you're probably like, meh. Grab a refill and a razor by Schick. Anytime we can get completely free razors, I think we got to just move on it because we're not getting razor deals from a couple years ago. Now everything is expensive. You can't grab 2 $9.99 razors and hope that $10 reward will print for you. It's not going to because this isn't CVS, and at Walgreens you have to be exactly $20 or more for the reward to print. These are the coupons that you're going to load. The $3 off for the men's and the $3 off for the ladies. And if you want to get the refills for the men and the razor for the ladies, by all means do that. I just picked those 2 this morning. So just to show you guys, 2 of those products, one at $14.99, one at $9.99, is $24.98. Subtracting $6 in digitals and have your booster loaded, you're going to pay $18.98 with your debit card. Get back a $10 register reward and $10 in Walgreens cash, making this a freebie. Yes. And again, because you're using a booster, don't use any Walgreens cash. You can use register rewards, though, as long as they're manufacturer ones. Okay, the last one that we're looking at is with the Shea Moisture, and there's these hair oils, and if you have like dry hair like yours truly in the dead of winter, this stuff is like a godsend, and you can also use it on your skin as well. Like, read the packaging, obviously. Today we got a 5 off 2 for their hair care, so we're going to utilize it for this deal, and why not? And it's $10 a pop today. So 2 of them is going to be $20. And you're getting back a $10 reward when you spend $20, so not bad. Nexus is so much more if you're into that fancier shampoo. So $20, subtracting your digital coupon, have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $15 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash plus a $10 register reward, making it free plus a $5 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster. So the balance of this video, we're just looking at deals. We're not going to be looking at anything with that $10 booster. The first is to grab 2 of these Hello toothpaste. We have a 3 off 2. This is a new coupon. So if you just wanted to stockpile this stuff for $1 per tube, no fluoride toothpaste, yes, that is a no-brainer. And so here it is, guys. 2 of these toothpaste is $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but what a deal, and I'm not hating this. Also, great stocking stuffer are these toothpastes. They're like a hard container. I always love them for traveling. They're $3.50, or alternatively, the Oral-B. It's on this promotion that when you buy 3, you're getting back a $5 register reward. Plus, we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. That is an older coupon. I don't have one anymore to show it to you. 3 of these toothpaste is $10.50. Subtracting that 5 off 3 digital coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward. 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Everybody's favorite, the Pantene, is on a promotion this week, and I know a lot of us really love the shampoo. I especially love their conditioner. It is to buy 2 to get back a $2 register reward with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. And here is the 3 off 2 digital coupon that you're going to load for this little deal. So 2 of these shampoos is going to be $10.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. If you're doing the deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay to earn that register reward. $6 Caress with a $5 reward when you buy 2 is not a bad little deal if your store carries the Caress line. Currently, mine doesn't. Over on Fetch, you're going to get back 1,000 points for spending 10. If you have this rebate, double, triple check that you do. Basic deal, 2 of these Caresses for $12. Get back a $5 register reward and 1,000 points back from the Fetch app. It makes it $6 for the 2 or $3 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But what a great little deal. Now, the last couple deals we're going to talk about are just odds and ends. If you wanted to use some register rewards or you have some Walgreens cash burning a hole in your pocket, it is the $1.99 complete home trash bags. It is the small and medium. That is a really good stock up price. We also have the aluminum foil and plastic wrap, buy one, get one free for all the bakers with Christmas and Thanksgiving right around the corner. I would definitely stock up using, Walgreens cash. Buy one, get one free on the Hershey's Dove Mars candy. Especially if you're a baker. Sorry, I keep saying that, but some good price points. It's like $3 and some change per bag. We're going to look at that curbside tomorrow. We have $3 per bag for the Doritos, Lay's, Tostitos, chips. Again, with Thanksgiving next week, you might want to stock up. And finally, 3 for $15.99 for Sprite Coca-Cola products. Maybe this is the week to stock up right before Thanksgiving. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.